Welcome back to the only democracy when you're on top of television, as it is hot, where we discuss all the topic wey concern all of us inside Obodo, Nigeria, so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action. The one we discuss today na Oga Senate President Abubakar Bukola Saraki versus the CCB, the Code of Conduct Bureau. We don't see one season film when start for this country about 2 weeks ago, and it don't dey gather momentum. And information when they be say our Senate President, as he promised yesterday on top of his Facebook page, he not carry waka enter inside the Code of Conduct Tribunal, say he go answer in mama name. We see get Professor Nwokobia CC and Oga Yemi Olakintan, and we dey discuss this matter, whether na the right thing or monkey hand dey inside the arrangement. Prof, you been dey talk something before, we can't enter that break. We go like make you continue the discussion. They go.
I go even follow am from where you stop now. If monkey hand dey soup, if soup good, you go remove the monkey hand. Want the soup chop am.
Not true.
But if soup sour, if you remove monkey hand, you go still throw away the soup, abi?
Yes, now.
As we dey now, wetin concern me and concern Nigerians now say government must deliver on the promise of change.
True.
Change say no to corruption. So it no matter whether people say that they witch hunt anybody or not. He do wrong. If he do wrong, make we punish wrong now. Now the only way when you go take make your children responsible. If you say, oh, because some people they witch hunt them, make you forget the wrong when you do. Because other government forget them. Because other regimes forget them, make them forget them.
But the question now is, shall I only do wrong?
I don't talk about Timmy Priesiva.
One person.
I don't talk about the Yaku.
Two people.
How many people
the former governor of this thing?
Adamawa State.
Jigawa.
The former governor of Jigawa State. People, government, they follow people. The truth is that what they make me happy now, we say for the first time in the history of our country, whether you call them witch hunt or not, a court in this land declares, say, make Attorney General, make the IG of police arrest a sitting Senate president for refusing to. And another thing when we not even look, we say, if you say you don't want to go appear for court, now be saying you get skeleton for your cupboard.
Okay. Now. No, I know, Prof. I know talk say skeleton no day in the cupboards of some of these people. Yeah, if he be
make we even talk about the man who they talk about now. Why they fear to go court?
No, if he be say yes,
he don't agree saying go.
So
why he not free go initially?
Because he don't say monkey and they there. Make one now, not be correct.
Okay, now APC get code of conduct.
Hold on.
APC get that.
Make we advance.
Oh really?
Make we advance from this matter. Make we take am further to wetin surround am. Okay, fine.
Now government get
code of conduct. Prof, hold on.
On one hand, una go say government, the court suppose they independent.
Prof,
on the other hand, una say the APC.
Prof,
which one we go do?
Prof, hold on now. Look, we ask this question.
Which one we go do?
In the end, may we say this way.
They want control everywhere.
Oga Yemi. In the end, we fit talk say yes, they fit do their investigate, make them discover say yes, in they guilty. But then make us also look the body languages of people will be in member. One, if violate law under a political party, we talk say no this no contest, he contests. Come further to decide say now this particular set of people now you go appoint as people go as principal officers. Okay, we also come take and bring them down to the presidency himself. Mr. President talk say look, anybody will enter into power, anybody becomes the president, say no, you go work with the person. But we also come take and for them. The body language of Oga Presido ever since Oga Saraki come inside as Senate President, they show say he no like at all. He no just won't get anything to do with them. If we also look at, I not talk so Oga President they doing work. I will not also talk say no they fight corruption. But somehow, if me look and if most Nigerians look that monkey hand will still talk.
He say inside.
Does the monkey hand make wrong, right?
Bro,
no, I'm not saying. I'm not. That was why
I asked you. Because we get children when they listen to us for hand.
Yes, that was why I said.
If monkey hand there somewhere, does it make waiting there wrong?
I'm not saying. Okay, I know. Okay, fine. That was why I even asked.
So make we use the monkey hand, remove waiting there bad.
And there are other people. You know we don't supposed to start this thing with.
Okay.
And there are other people that supposed to start this corruption issue.
As it be said, we want make government work. As it be said, we want make government work. And I be number 3 citizen. And it they corrupt. What do we go do?
You know how this thing affect us, our country as a whole. activities are being paralyzed. Activities are being paralyzed. The first enter, they fight over position. Right now, they don't come bring under distraction. And right now, it is eating into the system and posing a lot of activities in the country.
Okay, so make we allow Bukola Saraki remain as Senate President.
That's why we get due process.
Nobody say make them leave.
No, because that's all.
Nobody say make them leave.
So we know going to talk.
This selective prosecution, we no want time for this country. Even if you want start, you get cases
where then they cook soup.
This small.
Now small
not
then they cook food.
Person where you get another matter. We don't say they get problem with Bukola already.
Because we know the truth now.
Everybody knows say they get problem with Bukola.
If you carry everything when they take cook soup, put for pot at the same time, the soup not going to eat now.
Fashola case. Look, Fashola case, you don't dey for public before Bukola Saraki.
Yes. Why they don't pick am up?
Why they don't prosecute?
Which case? Which case Fashola get?
The one, the website.
Public na court.
Why they not prosecute am?
No, public na court.
When they can't start with the one where they get beef, when they don't get something for mind. When Lai Mohammed talk publicly, when the man went Sunday prayer say APC.
Code of conduct bureau. Code of conduct bureau.
So let us, this kind of...
Wait. May I come from this angle now. Now, about 2 weeks ago, we been hear reports all our agencies, then when we say that they took eye inside, say that they fight corruption. You get people when they their list, when we say that they investigate. You know, you get people when we say they talk, say this one, so they don't reach one certain level.
God bless you.
And other people still the list when they watch. And if we check some of these people now people when we say
many of them are APC people.
We get APC, we get PDP.
So, but
collectively, a lot of Nigerians agree, say, if these our anti-corruption agencies follow these people no go complain because we accept say these people somehow their hand don't enter inside bad thing. Now, shall we go get society when we say every time when we go talk say make it balance. If Fashola, if Amechi, if Tinubu no go court, why they go carry Saraki go court? Why they go carry this person go court? Why we no ever think and say, okay, make we get Nigeria when we say he go there free of corruption. If you dey corrupt, irrespective of the political party where you make you go court, go answer your
man. We believe that one. No, everybody
so why you they look for monkey hand?
Everybody want that one.
Why you they look for monkey hand?
But this one we know say the party.
No, but we go start from somewhere.
The party get wahala. Why you go start with the person when you get
one when we know.
But if you member of the political party, now high-ranking, highly placed member of the political party.
With other people where we know say these people are your friend, but the man get
no, but Saraki no be
even if you will start, Tarabi no be their friend.
How you no be their friend?
Former PDP wey cross carpet.
Amechi too na former PDP wey cross.
Mr. President na former CPC. Mr. President na former CPC wey come.
Wait, this thing go
APC.
good. It go nice. I no go even talk. Assuming when as then they prosecute Bukola, then they prosecute Fashola,
how you want to do all that one in 120 days? You want to sweep the whole house once?
3 people too much.
No, how you want to sweep the whole house once? As we don't start.
Just 3 people.
If you go my Facebook
take 3 major people.
You go see my argument.
Fashola, Amechi, Bukola, prosecute those 3. Then everybody not saying how you can't take only Bukola alone.
You see where I fail?
You see where I fail? You got problem with Bukola.
If you call, you see the names when he call, the 3 names when he call na APC.
Yes. Why
you see the problem?
Yes.
When we they talk about
this,
you
these 3 people na APC.
Na the same party.
Na the same party.
You go accept say this party na the best party.
I go say Bukola na PDP.
You go accept.
Na PDP they support am.
No, you never talk about
PDP. Wait. Let me tell you one thing.
Let me say good make them count am now.
Okay, you get my point now. You get my point now. That's the point.
So if Nigeria
is a political witch hunting, it's not in the interest of Nigerians.
It is in the interest of Nigerians to fight corruption anyway, anyhow.
Sincerity.
It is the interest of Nigeria to fight corruption anyway, anyhow.
Interesting.
Okay, you hold on for what?
Sincere corruption.
Okay, we don't do now. Don't do. Now we get the floor here.
Okay.
No, now.
Sorry.
Now we go decide what will happen here. I will not say the hot. Even say something hot pass yourself. We get the show. We get Solomon. Solomon, they call us from Chicago. Okay, Solomon, good morning.
How are they now?
We dey fine.
Come on, tell I want to know.
Yes.
To whom what is given, what is expected. Now, you know, say for Nigeria, we always believe in only poor man, police they feed the arrest. Now, with the problem with Saraki, he entered there with Mago.
Okay.
As they entered there with Mago, of course, any people there when they test for him. So how to take command from that place? We will look for what kind of means.
Simple.
To take him over. But the only thing, if they want drama, make people not suspect, people just
no, I get the point well.
corrupt people join them.
They will find
you go punish them.
Which means now we chant.
Okay, Solomon, thank you very much for that point where you make.
He offend law or not.
Thank you very much, okay, Solomon, all the way from Chicago.
He offend law or not.
Now we shut that.
No, let me tell you, there is nowhere in the world.
Oga Prof, hold on. Chukudi, all the way from Owerri. Oga Chukudi, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Kubi. Good morning, guest.
Good morning, Oga Chukudi.
Yes, I want to ask Prof one or two questions.
I beg ask.
Yes, Prof, what you make Buhari come to limelight now because you win Senate president? If to say Buhari, if to say Saraki, if to say Saraki no win the Senate president, this matter, if I come up,
it go at some point.
That one na one. Let I tell you something.
At some point.
Let I tell you something. You see, nobody there against fighting corruption.
Yes.
If your house they burn, if rat there your house, you know, because of rat now set the house ablaze. You go burn the house, burn the rat. You know, go get house to live. You better make you quietly take out the rat so that you go live.
Now would they do so?
Now, let me tell you something. This case, as you say, fine. This case now, as you take concern Saraki, waiting CCB Code of Conduct they do since 12 years ago.
Thank you.
That one not be serious the relation of duty.
Now PDP.
Now who go punish? Hold on, sir. Now who go punish CCB for that delinquency on that angle of their job? That one
Now the point of it, who go punish them?
Even elephant where they sleep, no they fit sleep like that. You go sleep that kind of sleep. Wake up now. Who go punish CCB for that delinquency on their own side? No, we not say make Saraki no go first. He don't go court. Fine, but that long delay, you get that to be my daughter. Thank you very much.
Chukudi, thank you very much for your contribution. Reaction to what Chukudi just
first, not be this government day for those 12 years when CCB they sleep.
But that's not the criteria.
Now a new government is here. They don't wake up from sleep. That's point number one. Point number two. Whether Bukola Saraki disobey the party or not, the question is, he do something went wrong. If he do something went wrong, make them punish him. That is the way to think.
Oga Prince, they call us from Owerri. Good morning, Oga Prince.
Good morning, Nkubi and Chukwudi and our Openga guests. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Special Prof, good morning.
Good morning, my brother.
If you wait till I want to talk this morning, our Nigerians, they surprised me many times.
Okay.
Because the same match where we talk, say we want to fight corruption. Now the same match where we talk, say to take support corruption.
I'm telling you.
Like this issue of Sarakina, I want to take them for three dimensions. Number one, be say, either the Code of Conduct Bureau, they know they do their work, they sleep all this while, or the power, the government where they before, no allow them to do their work. And thirdly, there is no time ban for corruption. Anytime where they bring out your own case, this morning they listen to Egypt.
God bless
Former
you.
Minister of Egypt, Crown went commit since 1993. Now yesterday when they give judgment, they tell them. Now yesterday, former minister still went to 1993. What do we talk? Now when the other way we discuss about corruption, we discuss say Mr. Ibrahim want fight corruption, make him start with APC people. Or that you meet there, talk and say make him start with his house. Now he don't start with the APC people. Yes, but we know they're certified.
You don't make very important points. Thank you. We go allow Oga Yemi react to that. Oga Yemi, you don't come the show severally. Talk say make you start from a political party. Today you say
we don't start now. We say
make I say something. You know, waiting one PDP guy tell me, as we dey discuss it, no before on air, when we dey talk this thing, he said, this man is going to implement PDP agenda. He's not one of us, and we don't want him there. That's what the APC guy told me.
No, you never answered the question.
You never answered the question.
Hold on, just pause. Because we don't want to lose this call from Ogobiora.
But you must answer that question.
You will see how we react to that question. Ogobiora, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Ogobiora.
Good morning, Oga. Hello.
Good morning, Oga.
Prof, I want to ask you some question and I want to remind you something. Because, you know, this, our corruption fighting, we are seeing that APC is stabilizing the issue. When Kaduna state government dissolve local government, nobody goes to court and they stand. When River State dissolve local government, some people go to court and police stop the acting to enter. That one is first issue. Second issue, Amechi was accused of corruption and asked him to come and explain some things. Amechi went to court and collect order not to go there, and they stand. Now, we are not against Bukola Saraki. What we are against is that because Bukola Saraki have said that you broke from 1999 power. If you don't know, make I remind you that because of that issue that brings this case out, plus other things. So now, if eventually APC succeeded in removing Saraki and those costs stop, it means that the work have not done yet. Again, I want to remember you, Prof, issue of silver for Bayelsa. The case is in court, one of the cases. So after immediately Buhari win the election, they nullify the case and following that case too. So before they announce another case, the second one that is in court right now. So what I'm telling you, Prof, since you are one of the big person in APC, will support your anti-corruption campaign. But you people must make it level and don't use the PDP style. PDP style is, if you are with us, we'll leave you. If you are not with us, we'll fight you. If you people do like that, it means that there is no change. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Important points we don't raise. But quickly, before we react to waiting Oga Obiora don't talk, we go quickly rush, enter small break.
I don't need to say anything again.
No, you get the answer.
We don't reach the final bus stop for Aside Hot, and if you check the studio, the temperature they're very, very high because this topic what we discuss today now one when we say from bus stop, beer parlor, city room, husband and wife, everywhere, the issue they generate plenty smoke. People they chook mouth for inside the matter. Whether you get to do with the right thing or monkey hand there inside the arrangement. Okay, there be asked one question since you never answer that question. I go give you opportunity to answer the question. Our caller been talk say you don't come here severally talk say if indeed they won't fight corruption, make them start with the political party. Whether you like them or not, you go agree say Bukola Saraki image. He enter inside the House of Senate as APC. Till today, he be APC. He never tear in card.
Yes.
Now, answer the question. This fight against corruption now, as they concern Oga Bukola Saraki, not be APC fighting, starting from itself to clean corruption, and be something else there inside.
You know that APC is like a
you don't speak English.
You know, say APC, now strange bed fellows. Now you come together.
You don't know that APC, one when you say make the fight start from inside?
You know the real APC now.
No, but you don't know that one.
No, anything like real APC.
No real APC.
Is anything like real
APC?
No, 2 years ago, every people come from different parties.
PDP, you know say there are some new PDP, they inside APC.
Which new PDP? They register any party called new PDP.
New PDP, they inside.
One PDP now we get.
We got
some
new
people
PDP.
Leave PDP, go APC. Some people come from CPC.
So the people that left Jonathan, the faction of
but they don't register the party.
But we don't say that they. So there are all kinds of strange bed
so who be the real APC?
Wait, we know the real APC.
Who be the real?
We know Tinubu.
Now be the real APC.
We know Fashola. We know Ogalaiba.
No, but it be ACN.
Now ACN, APC be that. Now then point APC now. So APC get all kinds of APC. So look, let me say, the people where
they had them to talk.
I'm telling you.
We
get Oga Ilop Tifi. When they call us from Oka. Good morning, Oga Ilop Tifi.
Yeah, good morning, Ebu moderators, Nkubi and the Chukode.
Good morning.
And good morning, Ogbonge guest.
Good morning, sir.
The studio is hot. I'm feeling it from here. What I want to tell us is that we all know that corruption is bad, and we all support this corruption. Okay? But the way where this matter they go now, I know say all of una where they there go school well, now read book. Make we go check the history of Germany when Adolf Hitler became the president of Germany. The way people were applauding him that he was trying to bring some revolutions. But we all know how he ended up, causing the death of millions of innocent souls and even causing Second World War. So this arbitrariness that Oga, Buhari, and the APC, they are now going, the way they are handling this corruption fight, it is going to set Nigeria on fire. The other one guy just called and said that if you want to kill a rat, you don't burn the house because you want to kill a rat. The way they are going about this corruption fight is very suspicious. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Obilop Tifi.
Can make I answer these people?
Okay.
You know what thing they make me worry? Every time when I listen to people and talk about Nigeria, I see my children and I wonder how they feel if this is what we discuss. You ask yourself, do you want the society to change at all? You ask yourself, oh, you get how they fight corruption, and you get how they not take fight corruption.
You react, we'll still give that time to talk. But no, collect Sunday they call us from Kaduna. Good morning, Sunday. Sunday, good morning. Sunday, you there? Oh, yeah, I got Prof.
You ask yourself, where are we heading to? How do we want to make this country better? Make I ask you, anywhere in the world, you get anywhere in the world where witch hunt na crime? Make we even use the word witch hunt. Okay. Make I ask you, if you get neighbor when be armed robber and you not like him, if you go report him for police, he go say you witch hunt him. So make police not fight the crime again. Okay. Now what thing would they talk for this country be this?
Okay.
Say if man do something when they wrong, because in neighbor not like him, when I go call them witch hunt, and so if they wrong, make them investigate them. I think that if we want this country to move forward, we must call bad, bad, and call what is good, good. You cannot on the one hand say you want to make you fight corruption, and then on the other hand you say make you start from another person. Okay. What is wrong, and make all of us as individuals in this country support every fight. Anyhow, they want to start up against corruption.
May I ask you this question? I like the angle you bring up from. Okay, witch hunt, no be crime. No. Okay, if in the end, if for instance in the end, we can't see the end of this particular matter now. We see the kind ginger way this thing code of conduct bureau carry this matter now. We'll also see some of the actions where the anti-corrupt body don't take the ginger way they don't bring in. If in the end this matter anyhow we take waka we see them, I will come see maybe a slow down pace in this government onto corruption matter after this matter. What did you say we will do?
Make I answer this question. If you go my Facebook page, this question I don't answer them, and I go answer them here again. If Bukola say that they witch hunt him, make it do the needful, pursue the case. If he come out as Senate President, make into those when witch hunt him, make it witch hunt them. Make everybody become whistleblower for this country. Anybody when they do wrong, witch hunt them. If all the witch hunt, if all of us turn witches and wizards, they follow everybody when don't do wrong, we'll go do this country, we'll go make this country good. That is my position. If you hate witch hunt and they don't witch hunt you, you do something bad and they remove you, you join other people, witch hunt the people when don't do bad. If all of us begin witch hunt everybody, we'll go make Nigeria good. That is why we talk about the law of the whistleblower.
Okay.
Make we begin blow whistle. Anybody when you know say do bad, blow whistle for
I go like make you respond to waiting Prof don't talk. You don't put your own down.
Yes, no,
make I put my own down. My own. I talk about leadership. You understand? Leadership must show good example. You understand? Everybody like to fight corruption. We don't like us to fight corruption. But you know, we don't want Nigeria, we no want make them they do selective prosecution. You say you they fight corruption wholeheartedly. Make you fight corruption with sincerity. You understand? If now your brother they do something wrong, carry him, prosecute him.
Now we they do so.
If now your sister they do something, no, we know say Bukola Saraki no be that brother will come out.
He not get PDP card.
Do you understand? The people, what will they do?
Bukola Saraki we house member.
What will they do now? If you deal with us, we no go, you know they corrupt.
We chant you.
But if you not deal with us, we go wish on
okay,
you.
where Bukola
That kind of thing can never bring Nigeria forward. We want corruption that
transparency.
We don't care who you are.
Corruption.
Whether you are Tinubu, or you are Fashola, or you are Obasanjo, or you are Saraki, no matter who you are, if you are corrupt, we bring you down.
Ogayemi, thank you very much. Ogayemi, thank you very much for this point. We don't bring that. You said don't go well for this point.
Nothing can be more sincere.
Our people when they always talk about our country.
Nothing can be more sincere in the fight against corruption than say we dey fight Senate president.
We say we go still discuss.
We go discuss them.
The outcome of waiting the Senate president go do for the Code of Conduct Tribunal, he go come out and he go talk his own story and we go come analyze am for here.
And Nigeria go come better.
We go shake your hand say you come on top of as the hot. Ogayemi, make una shake, make you no be like say
because we know they bring the argument. So I'll be here tomorrow. Now bye.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.